Here at Boomer, we encounter a lot of CPA firms, and there's a lot of discussion about the cloud. There's a lot being written about the cloud, the benefits, the challenges. And you know, when you look at the challenge side, one of the most frequently noted ones is around integration. You know, people ask, why would I want to give up my tightly integrated on-premise solution or suite for something in favor of a cloud model which might not be as tightly integrated? Well, my answer is, in the cloud model, integration and data flow becomes much easier through web services. So a lot of this is dependent on an open attitude and an open architecture, but I think in the future, cloud solutions are going to be tighter and easier integrations. So I want to introduce something called the cloud ecosystem. What is it? Well, if you think about a set of partners, often referred to as add-ons, that work directly with a software as a service vendor to fill any functionality gaps that a solution may have, and in turn increase the value of both of the solutions. So examples in our industry are around client accounting services. And so if you look at what Intacct, Intuit, Xero have all done, they built out these add-on networks and a number of solutions to cover things where they've got gaps like reporting, dashboards, work papers, CRM, workflow, so that they can truly focus on their core competencies, which is accounting and integrated payroll. So as I alluded to earlier, this really comes down to the whole idea of open versus closed, which has been going on since the days of Microsoft versus Apple and even before that. But the whole idea of which one's going to win in the end, the whole open architecture versus closed. In my mind, I think the winners in the cloud are going to be the ones that approach things with an open mindset and are willing to partner with third-party solutions and build out this ecosystem. So is this a new phenomenon? No, it's really not. You know, this has been happening for years with Microsoft, IBM, HP, where they've got a partner of solution providers that they were encouraging to build on top of their solutions. And then if you look at the mobile operating systems, iOS, Android, they've all been they've been battling to build out the most valuable ecosystem. So I would just encourage you that next time you're starting to evaluate a cloud solution, don't look at that particular solution in isolation. You need to look at whether it's part of a larger ecosystem and the value that the total ecosystem brings to the table when you start to evaluate moving your solutions to the cloud.